Hello students, in today's session we are going to divide the expressions in the chapter Factorisation. So let us understand this. In here today we are dividing a quadratic polynomial, that is the expression having its highest exponent is 2. So y square plus 7y plus 10, we have to divide this by y plus 5. So first of all, as we have to write this numerator and denominator, this numerator divided by the denominator. Now y square plus 7y plus 10, it is a quadratic polynomial. So first we have to factorize this. So let us factorize this y square plus 7y plus 10. Now y square plus 7y plus 10, that we are using here split of the middle term. As in the previous session we have understand how to perform the factorization using split of middle term, that the middle term, whatever the numerical value present in the middle term, we have to this value divide into two parts in such a way that addition of the two numbers is middle term and same multiplication of the two numbers is the third term, that is the constant term. So here 7 is the middle term. So 7, how can we write? 5 plus 2, and when we multiply 5 and 2 we get 10. So the two numbers are 5 plus 2. So we can write in this and open the bracket. So we get y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 5 into 2. Now from first and second term we can take y is common, and from third and fourth term we can take 2 is common. So we get y into y plus 5 from first and second term. From third term we are taking 2 is common. So the rest of the quantity inside we get y and 5. So y plus 5. So y plus 5, here this term is common in both. Y plus 5 we can take common. So next the quantities inside of the bracket, rest of the quantities are y plus 2. So y plus 5 and y plus 2 is the factorization of y square plus 7y plus 10. Now we can perform the division process, as y plus 5 into y plus 2 in place of y square plus 7y plus 10 we can write it, and y plus 5. Then when we divide this y plus 5 by y plus 5, so it will become 1 time, and 1 into y plus 2 we get y plus 2. So here the answer for the division of y square plus 7y plus 10 by y plus 5 is y plus 2. Let us consider another example. Question number 2. 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 by 2y into z plus 8. So the quantity which is in the numerator position. Observe this. So by observing this, what we are getting, that z square plus 6z minus 16, this is the quadratic polynomial, and 4yz, and in the denominator position 2y into z plus 8. So 2 and 4 they will divide. Y and y, that will also divide, but rest of the quantities, how can we divide? So first z square plus 6y minus 16 we have to factorize, then we can get the factors of this, then we can perform the division. So first z square plus 6z minus 16, now we have to factorize this again by using the split of middle term. Middle term is 6, so the two numbers which gives the addition 6 and their product is minus 16. Remember here 16, in front of the 16 there is minus sign, so we have to take the product of that two numbers is minus 16. So what are the numbers? 8 and minus 2. When 8 and minus 2 we have to add, so we get 8 minus 2 is 6, and 8 and the number minus 2, when they will multiply we get 16. So we have the two numbers, z square plus 8 minus 2 into z plus 8 into minus 2, correct. Now open the bracket, so we get the terms z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 8 into 2. Now from the first and second term what we can take common? Correct, z. And from the third and fourth term what we can take common? 2 with minus sign, as we are observing here is also minus 2 and here also this is the minus sign. So minus sign is also common in third and fourth term. So take z is common from the first and second term. We get rest of the quantity z, and from here it is only 8. So z plus 8. From third and fourth term, minus 2 is common. So the quantities which are left, z and this 8. So minus 2 into z plus 8. Now remember again, z plus 8 and z plus 8 both are the common in both the terms. So take z plus 8 is common. So rest of the quantities we have z and this minus 2. So z plus 8 into z minus 2 is the factorization of z square plus 6z minus 16. Now we put the value in the place of this quadratic polynomial. So from the division process we can write 4yz into z plus 8 into z minus 2. Now 4yz again we can write it as product of 2y into 2z, correct? Now this 2y and this 2y both will cancel out. Rest z plus 8 and z plus 8, this also divide each other. So rest quantities 2z and z minus 2 are left. So 2z into z minus 2 is the division of 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 upon 2y into z plus 8. Remember, whenever we have to divide any quadratic polynomial by another polynomial, so quadratic polynomial we have to factorize, and as we know that the methods of factorization is split of middle term, or we can use the algebraic identities. Okay, so by using these we can factorize the quadratic polynomial. Then it is easy to divide the expressions or divide the polynomials.